So I made this promise to myself that every weekend, like for the rest of the summer, I was gonna go to the beach or be by the water. Last week, rode a bike up to like the valley, swam up there. The week before that, I think I was at the beach. Now I'm going by myself again to go to the beach. Kind of late, and it's gonna be a long day because there's like no trains back, but it'll be fun. And here we go. Oh yeah, it's also freezing. Suddenly, like, it's fall. It's disgusting. I hate it. It's still August. I want my summer. It's like 60 degrees right now. Not a good outfit choice, but I was too lazy to pack a sweatshirt, so I just put on pants. It'll be fine. I just want to tan and swim. I hope the water's warm. I'm gonna be sad. The bus and the train and heading to the beach. Actually, the weather's pretty nice, hotter than I thought. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of people there or not, so we'll see. I thought there was gonna be way more people and like I could get a parasol, but this is fine. Good check. So I just went for a little swim. I didn't think I was gonna be able to. I didn't think I would be able to because there's pretty big waves, but it's nice actually. And there's other people swimming down there, I think, but they might also be not Korean people because nobody else is swimming, and I don't know. Not me digging through my bag and having the camera on. Sweet potato, tofu, and veggies. Oh, looking kind of gross, but that's my lunch. And sweet potato, tofu, veggies, my water that I need more of. Be wet, but I'm gonna eat this. Enjoy my food. This is so good. I don't know why. Maybe just I'm eating on the beach. I'm so hungry. Very good. Forgot to take a picture of everything for Instagram. to keep applying my sunscreen on my face at least, and I only have 20 SPF because I'm so stupid. The view. Still working on it. Be the only one swimming. Which is good, I guess. Oh. I ate, but now I feel like being lazy. So I might just sit here for a bit. Maybe I can walk. I don't know, I want to take footage of me swimming, but I also don't want to because I'm lazy. Really, all I planned to do today was I brought my lunch, eat my lunch, be here, and then later for dinner, there's like a soft tofu village, so I'm gonna go there and get some soup for dinner, I guess. You gotta come here and get the tofu. So that's my plan. No parasol though. So I don't know how long I'll last out here. But I think it's not too hot, so I think I should be fine. I'm so tired. I just love the sand here. Busan is like never comes off, but this is pretty nice. It's really nice out. I've been starving, I feel like since lunch. I don't know why, I'm just wicked hungry today. But I'm headed to the tofu village to get something to eat. 초당두부마을. All these restaurants are tofu restaurants. I'm going to that one. finished dinner. And the buses don't really come here, and it's really nice, and I didn't do any exercise today, really, so I'm gonna walk. It's like an hour to the station, and I have like an hour and a half before I need to get my train, so just gonna take a chill walk. I'm so full. I didn't need to order that extra tofu, but I wasn't thinking. I was too hungry when I was ordering. I had looked at the menu before, and I was like, okay, the tofu comes out, like, even if you order the tofu stew, so my mistake, but it's okay. But I'm so full. Battery might die, but that's fine. Hopefully I can still find the way. But it's so nice out right now. I don't know what this building is here. I don't know. These trees are nice though. Pretty flowers. Hello. Love these old phone stands. Looks interesting. Team Nomad Retreat Fitness. I might have to look up this place. Sick view. I'm charging my phone in the station right now. I have so bad blisters on my feet. My train's not for another like 30 minutes. Just gonna chill and maybe walk around, but I'm not sure. Way back home. Whoa, I need a serious shower because the shower was like closed at the beach, so I haven't showered, just changed my clothes, like, and I've been on the train for like 3 hours, 2 hours in the KTX, and then, well, I guess 45 minutes or whatever on the other train home, walking 10 minutes, and I gotta go to swim in the morning, wake up at 5, and it's almost 10. We will see if I make it, because my feet hurt. Like, I have such blisters from the, what's it called, flippers, and it's flippers on Monday and Thursday, and tomorrow's Monday, so I have to wear them again. And I have blisters on the bottom of my feet too from these sandals today. So I'm just like, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. And then we're like swimming 1,500 meters, so I'm just like, ugh. Anyway.